Owen. With my last YouTube short, I was with Owen, so I wanted to make another one. And this one, if it gets 10K likes, I will make another video with Owen. Or let's make it 100. 100 likes, and I'll do another one with my little bro Owen. Back there. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that, but this is my first video, so bye!